Good day, everyone.
Today, I want to tell you a story, not just a story about code, but a story about life, emotions, and memories. It all began when I said to myself, what if I build a safe place for every feeling I carry? So I created my personal MyDay E-Journal System, a web-based journal craft for my own world.
It became my digital diary, my emotional vault, my memory keeper. Every day I store what happened, where I was, what I felt, and the little pieces of me I never want to forget.
But like all secrets, it needed a lock.
So the journey starts with login. Since this journal is only for me, it simply asks for a password, no username, no complicated steps, just one key to protect every memory and emotion I've ever written.
It is simple yet meaningful, because it serves one purpose: privacy and protection.
Once the correct password is entered, the screen lights up with a welcome banner, greeting me, the creator of the system. It feels like the program is alive, whispering, "Welcome back, self. Your story continues today."
Below it sits the header, displaying the current date, the program's name, and a short description reminding me what this system stands for.
And below it, a menu of doors I built for myself: home, write, entries, insights, export, logout. Each day, a new AI-generated quote welcomes me like a sunrise for the soul, changing every 24 hours, reminding me to breathe, to hope, to reflect.
It also shows how many stories I've written, total entries, weekly entries, and even my latest mood, the emotional color of my most recent day.
When I feel ready to speak my truth again, I go to write. Here lies a form where the heart meets structure.
Date automatically set to today, but I can change it if needed using a calendar. Location defaults to at home, but life isn't always at home, so I can rewrite it too.
Feeling a drop-down of emotions where I choose the one that fits my day. Entry my message, my confession, my unfiltered voice.
After writing, I press Save Entry, sealing another page of my life into the system. And then there is Memories, a feature that randomly shows one of my past journal entries, like a photograph suddenly falling from an old book. Later, I walk through entries, the hall of all my past days.
Here, I can filter entries by date or feeling, making it easier to navigate through my emotional history. Each entry can be edited or deleted.
And unlike the random memory in home, the Memories feature here shows me what I wrote on the same date but in past years, like time echoing back to me.
But deletion asks for confirmation first because some memories are painful, yet we must think twice before erasing them forever. Then comes Insights, the mirror of emotions. This page tells me what I felt the most this month, which day was my best, which was my hardest.
There's also a color-coded calendar marking each day's emotion.
When I click a date, it reveals all entries for that day, like opening a memory capsule. When the month is over, or when I want to hold my story in my hands, I go to Export.
With one click, all my entries transform into a PDF book format, designed like a printable diary, a novel written by me, for me.
And when the file opens, there it is, my life in pages,
my story in paragraphs, my emotions in chapters.
After reading, I exit with logout.
Before leaving, the system asks, "Are you sure?"
Because, like closing a journal in real life, it is a conscious choice to pause the story and protect it again. This system taught me something powerful, that every day we live, we feel something, and every feeling has a story. Documenting our emotions and memories is important, because one day, we would want to look back and understand ourselves, not just what happened, but how we survived it, how we felt it, how it shaped us.
Because our feelings are proof that we live. Our memories are proof that we grew.
And our journals, they are the gentle voice of our past guiding our future.